An area chart is a line chart where the area between the line and the axis is shaded with a color. Area charts are typically used to represent accumulated totals over time and are a conventional way to display stacked lines. When working with date fields, the field is automatically modified to reflect the default date level. To change the date level of a field that you have added to the view, select its context menu and then select either a date part, a date value, or an exact date. You can set fields as discrete or continuous. Discrete fields are colored blue and create headers. Most dimensions are discrete fields. Continuous fields are colored green and create axes. Most measures are continuous. You will often want to set date fields as continuous to keep your dates in chronological order. Edit the axis of a continuous field to change the axis range, scale, title, or tick marks. Hold down the Control or Command key on your keyboard to select both a dimension and a measure. Then use the Context menu to create a level of detail expression. This fixed level of detail expression always computes the sum of profit at the order ID level regardless of the dimensions that are present in the view. Add comments to calculated fields. Use 2 forward slashes to add a single line comment, or use a combination of forward slashes and asterisks to add a multi-line comment. For a discrete dimension, edit aliases to change the labels of its members. You can set a default sort order for the values within a categorical field so that every time you use the field in the view, the values will be sorted correctly. You can control whether marks in the view are stacked or overlapping from the Analysis menu. When set to Automatic, the check mark indicates whether the marks are stacked or overlapping. Using the icon at the top of the legend, you can enable legend highlighting to highlight related marks in the view. Tooltips are additional data details that display when you hover over one or more marks in the view. From the Marks card, you can edit the tooltip to include both static and dynamic text. Use the Insert menu to add dynamic text such as field values, sheet properties, and more. Format the tooltip as desired. Dates can be filtered in a variety of ways. Range of dates allows you to specify a start date and end date for the range. Show the filter to make it interactive. Duplicate a sheet to create a copy that you can modify without affecting the original sheet. Replace a field currently on the columns or rows shelf by dragging and dropping another field on top of it.